All right, let's see. Let's hope this is good because I'm not going to be changing the angle too much. Let's go! All right, what's up, everybody? My name's AJ. I'm from a hardcore band called Nervous Aggression. You may have heard of us, you probably haven't. So let me go ahead and tell you why I started doing this. Hold on, I got a very curious pup here. What's up, buddy? Come here. This is Debo. You're probably gonna hear him a lot throughout this series. Well, he's a good boy. All right, get out of here. Oh. Anyway, so the reason I started the series is because, over the years I've done a lot of stuff with music. I've done touring, played I don't even know how many shows. And one thing's remained the same over the years is I'll have younger people or older people, just people in general, come up to me and kind of ask for advice on like what to do, how to start a band. And I can relate to that because, I grew up in a small town. There weren't really any original bands where I was from, or at least very few. And I always knew music was something that I wanted to do. So I can kind of understand how sometimes from the outside looking in, it seems really like this unreachable, unimaginable thing, but it's really not. When I was starting out, I didn't know that there was even a punk scene in Ohio. I let alone know anybody in the scene, know any of the bars, anything like that. So with that said, I kind of didn't know where to start, and I just kind of dove in and figured it out along the way. So the purpose for this series is hopefully that there's somebody out there who's looking around on YouTube who wants to know some answers. I don't have all the answers, obviously, but through years of experience, I do have some tips that I like to share with people. So that's kind of the point of this series. I already have a few ideas in mind of videos that I'm gonna make that I wanna cover some points. But if you have anything that you wanna know, that you wanna ask a guy who's been playing shows, touring, stuff like that for 10, 15 years, go ahead and comment them down below. I've got about 15 years. Jesus fucking Christ, Debo. He does this thing where he smacks his food bowl around and knocks kibble all over the floor before he eats. He's done that since he was a puppy. He's like 10 years old now. I don't think there's any fixing it. So if you have any questions personally that you'd want me to cover that you think I might be able to help out with, I've got about 15 years of playing out live. I've got close to 10 playing out of town, touring, things like that. I'm just here to help anybody who's interested in getting into music. That's it. If you're seeing this, that means I got the other episode ready. It's probably going to come out sometime next week. Hope you guys tune in. Thanks for checking it out. Later.